Girl. Girl.
Here,
Girl.
take a look at these. I think you'll fuck them up.
Girl. All right, so for this stove, some moron broke all these posts. You know, you turn it, get to the end, you keep turning, and you crack them all. So in this stove, we have a big gaping area. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to take the clearance, hose clamps that I got, not Harbor Freight, because Harbor Freight probably won't work with this. I mean, it's possible. Harbor Freight are mostly junk. And we're going to do this. We're going to crunch this with this. The other thing I was thinking of is a nut. So this is from Tractor Supply. Tractor Supply, go in there and find a nut that fits this perfect and screw the nut on. But for now, I'm going to do this. Make sure I don't get my skin caught in there. And there we go. Closed. And I'm pretty sure this will clear the stove thing. So I'll have to film that. Hey, here's some other options I also have. Grommet. And that might just work all by itself. Although now that's going to stretch. So grommet and then like a washer. I have washers that actually fit right on there. And that is perfect. And there's also this other kind of one. The other got this kind of washer. And this one is just not fitting over there. So I'd have to force that on to get that to fit. One other option is, well, you could do, I think that makes it too tight. This, and then one of these. One of these, and then you bend it into place and glue it in.